guys, I wanted to show you this wallpaper that I received from the company. I'm sure this is like really hard to buy online, so I want to do the best that I can to, answer any questions. It is vinyl and it's self-adhesive, so it has like the sticky back. I find that this is just like super easy to install and kind of like dummy proof, I guess. Wallpaper can be a little tricky and intimidating, and this is definitely not. It has the lines so that it's easier to line up. And I think the colors are beautiful. I think the quality is really nice. It is vinyl, so I think it's more durable. And the colors, again, are just like really pretty, vibrant um, colors. I think the pattern, I was really interested in this pattern. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet, but you get a decent amount in the roll, you can see, but you do need to measure to make sure that you know how much to purchase, or you could just start small and then order another one after if you need. Definitely happy with this. I'm glad that I got it. I will make another video after I install it, but right now I just wanted to give you a close-up of what it looks like, the colors, the pattern, the width, how much you get, so a decent amount, and how, it's like, it's a really, it's a nice material. It's thick. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap at all. I think you could probably put this in a bathroom. I would read into that, but that's what I'm thinking. I'm going to maybe wallpaper my bathroom with it. Really happy with this.